cordless phone system. I do know the model number. Um, Anybody can tell me in the comments. Let's go ahead and ring it up.
Hello. Please leave a message after the tone.
Recording a testing announcement. Please leave your name, number, and a message, or I am not calling you back. We're going to do it again.
Recording a testing announcement. Please leave your name, number, and a message, or I am not calling you back.
So there's that. And yes, it's very possible to get into the telephone. Hope everybody enjoys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more telephone videos like this. I got to ring it up for you twice to show you that you can do this. With people that do have a Viking telephone line simulator, thank you so much for... I did not know about these, so thanks to all who have one. I'm going to be making more telephone videos for anybody who wants to see it. Like, comment, and subscribe. May the Lord bless you and keep you. Storm Spotter out.